Hello everyone. In today's video I am going to make a program about in basic programming, and the question is, write a program or VAP to print odd numbers from 1 to 100 using for and next loop. So this is for and next loop is an essential component, or you could say a command in in GW basic programming. So today in this video I am going to make this program and run it on GW basic. So this is how a GW basic programming screen would look. It is whole black screen and some commands are written here. And now what I am going to do, I will write a command CLS. So for what this command stands for, CLS means clear the screen, and when I enter it, execute it, all the content on the screen would be clear off, would be erased off by the software. Now for starting our program, our first command would be new. When we execute it, it is used for telling the software that we are going to start a new program from starting. Now then we would write auto. Auto is also a very essential command for starting of a program, as it as it generates the line number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on till where the developer need. Now first we would write rem to print odd numbers from 1 to 99. So for what purpose this rem command is used? Rem is actually a comment command, and it tells the user that for which purpose we are writing. It tells the user, means a new user is using our program, and if he is unknown that for what purpose the developer or the software maker has made this program. So by reading this command, it displays that for what purpose the developer has created this program, so that the user can easily understood that what is the purpose of this program. Then 20, and this is this above program, this above command is it is not necessary. It is optional. If you want, so you can write, or if you don't want, so it's okay. Now for a is equal to 1 to 99 step 2. So what is here? For is this is a for syntax. The syntax of for is first here 20 line number, then for 20 line number, that means 20 line number, then for, then this is called a variable, contour variable, that in this variable only the hard disk or the memory would be stored in the data. Now a is equal to 1 to 99 step. What does this mean? This one is known as the final starting value, or the initialization value. Means from here software would start counting 1 to 99, and this 99 obviously it is known as final value, and it would the program would end till 99. Now this step 2, this is known as step value. So what this step do? So the function of this value is that it increment or decrement the amount of value, or the value of the here final value or the initialization value. Like here we have 1 as our starting value. Now if we write here step 2, so it will take this 2 and it will add 2 from 1 plus 2 3. So next coming number is 3. So first it will print 1, then after printing 1 it will print 3, and when it print 3 again it will plus 2 it, then again 5, means it skip the counting by 2 to 2. Then if we instead of 2, if we write 1, so it will simply add 1 1 1 1, like 1 plus 1 2, then 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, and this how it would do whole counting till 99. And if we write here instead of 2 3 4 5, so according to it will skip forward the counting. and this is for skipping, means incrementing the number. Now for decrementing, here what you do, like as I am going to show. If you want to increment a number, we will write simple variables which are positive integers, and if you want to decrement, so we will write minus, then -1, it will decrease 1, -2, it will decrease to -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, and as you can, if you wish, as it is given in question. So in our case we are writing 2 because when one odd number plus 2, so it will obviously give a odd number. Okay, then 30. Here we have print a. Print a means here we actually, this is optional, we can write print a also, or we can write here print hello in semicolon. So what this do, that whatever material we would, the content we will write in this semicolon, it would just display it number of time we have put we have entered in one, and in the final value, and to the initialization value in the above statement. But in our case we need simple counting, so we only write print a. Then next a. So this is the last statement of for a next loop. In the syntax of next, we have first 40 line number next as it is, and this a variable is the same variable which we write in the for loop. Okay, so then we have again enter 50 line number and end. So here till our program is been done. Now we need to run our program to check whether it is correct or not. So for that we have two methods of running, means the key for running is F2. It would be same in either case, but to execute it save in memory, there are two types. First type is enter. We will here a number is coming 60. So one method is that we would clear off this 60 by using backspace key, and then we would press F2 to run the program. And another is that 60 came, we would press Control plus C. So here OK would come. It means that the program has been saved in the memory and it is ready to run. And as soon as I press the F2 key, you can see the output. You can see that the whole counting of this odd number has been displayed by the software. 57 is odd, 59 is odd, 61 is odd, 63 till 99. Okay, and here it shows displays OK, means the software has run all the program.